Hello friends, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. So as you understand, this is for Nitte, which is a deemed to be university and one of the top-notch engineering colleges in India, right? And I'm going to talk about their application process and how you can apply in 2024 with the exam called NUCAT 24. Before that, this college is 65th rank best university as per the NIRF 2023 report. And in terms of global ranking or the world university rankings, as per the QS Asia ranking, right, it is in the band of 451 to 500 best engineering colleges as well as the university in Asia level. And as per the NAC accreditation by NBA, it is NAC A plus accredited college by NAC. And by Ministry of Human Resource Development, MHRD, Government of India, it is one of the institution in the category A status by government. So as I mentioned, this is the last opportunity to register for the test 1, right? So basically it is happening in 3 phases: NUCAT test 1, NUCAT test 2, NUCAT test 3, as you can see. So the registration started on 1st January. So last date of applying, which is registering as well as slot booking, is 6th of February. So only 3-4 days are left. You can immediately apply, right? And this is a good option. And mock test will be done on 10th and 11th February, which is the next weekend, right? So only 1 week is left. And the actual NUCAT test 1 is going to happen on 17th and 18th February. So if you have not filled the application, it is there, which I am going to explain step by step process. And commencement of the registration for test 2 will happen for 7th February. So 7th February, if you register, you will go for the phase 2 of the exam. And the last date for phase 2 and the slot booking is 31st of March, right? So up to end of the March. And the mock test for the second phase will be between 5th to 7th April, right? And the actual second test will happen on 12th to 14th April. So you have one attempt in February, the second attempt is on April, and you can see the date for the third attempt. So third attempt will be June 14th to 16th June, right? So I will suggest, you go for the first and the second round as a prominent one. And if you want to apply, then go for the third round. So this is the date sheet which has been released. And so first I will talk about the different courses which are going to be covered through NUCAT exam, NUCAT 2024. And the courses are like BTech, which is the most predominant one. And then you have BSc, BMS, BSc Nursing, and 2 PG courses are also there, which is MBA and the MCA. So if you talk about the duration of these courses, like 4-year BTech program, as you know, and then BSc Honors in Biomedical Science is also 4 years. Similarly, BSc Nursing is also 4 years course, and then MBA and MCA are both 2-year courses. Now talking about the BTech, which is the most sought of course, part of NMAM Institute of Technology. So that is the engineering college under which you will cover all the BTech UG courses, right? So you have a very good number of options. You can see 2 branches are related with BTech in artificial intelligence, which is one with data science, one with machine learning. Another branch is biotechnology, civil, computer and communication, which is CCE, and then computer science. And then you get a lot of computer specialization branches, which is like computer science and cyber security, full stack development. Then you have electrical and electronics, and 3 branches of ECE are like EEE, electronics and communication, and VLSI design and technology. Then you also have a BTech in information science, mechanical, robotics and artificial intelligence. And then there is a twinning program with the Penn State University, which is a global program. So those are the programs which are available. And as you know, the online application for 2024 is now open, which I'm going to now explain how you can apply this. And a lot of you want to know about the fees also. So exam fees is like 1,000 rupees, and the exam duration is for 2 hours. So total is 120 marks paper will be there. So this 120 questions are again split around 40 physics, 40 chemistry, and 40 mathematics, and each question carries 1 marks for correct answer, and there is no negative marking for wrong answers. So I'll cover the placement of this college with the later, and it is called decent placement, and in another video. But this is the website apply.nitte.edu.in, where you can start with. So once you go there, it will show you this interface where it talks about the register and login. So as a regular process, you will have to first start with the registration. So application name, email ID, mobile number, those 3 things you have to add, and register for your new account, right? So based on this, OTP will be sent to your registered mobile number, and you have to enter that OTP. Then you have to select your state, city, and select the program. So I have already mentioned all the programs like BTech, BSc, MBA, MCA, etc. And within program, then you have to select the course. For example, in the case of BTech, you have almost 20 engineering branches, right, which are available. So you have to select the course, and you have to select the institution. For example, NMAM Institute of Technology is the institution for all the BTech courses. Similarly, for KS Hegde for MBA and the other courses. And then at the bottom of the screen, you will see that there is a checkbox where you have to say I agree to receive information regarding your my submitted application by using sign up this, right? And then you have to say apply now, right? So then you will get a email at your email box, right, where you can verify it that this is your email account, right? Once you have verified, then you will be able to log in or sign in, right? So if you are not getting the email, then you can click the bottom of the screen. You can see resend email verification, right? So once you have got the email, you have your own login name, which is your email ID, and your password, which is now sent, right? And there is also another way of logging, which is via OTP. So you can also log in through OTP, but I will suggest you save the password also, and then you can check to remember your login so that you don't have to register every time, and then use login password to login system, and then you will be able to do your application process with all of the necessary steps.